Welcome to our Cryo VR training module. In this section you will learn about the operation of the Vitrobot. Let's begin. Attach humidifier to Vitrobot, sticker facing forwards. Note that the humidifier has already been filled with 60 ml water via tube. Turn on the Vitrobot via switch on the back right of machine. And adjust settings as needed. Pick up the workstation which is in the hood and put it on your desk. Place brass ethane cup, grid box holder, and spider inside of the circular foam base. Then, pour liquid nitrogen into workstation. After adding nitrogen, recap the doer. Listen for bubbling gas condensing into liquid. Adjust gas flow as necessary until liquid ethane is touching the bottom of the spider. Now the workstation is cooled down. Now pick up place the ethane dispensing tip into the center cup of workstation. Keep filling until the ethane cup is 100% full. Then, put the ethane dispensing tip back. Turn the small knob on the ethane tank to... Now turn off the ethane tank. When ethane has formed a slurry, remove the spider with pliers. Attach blot papers to blotting pads. Note that in reality you need to advance through the freezing cycle one time without tweezers to home blotting pads. This is essential for consistency. Now, locate the Petri dish on the desk and remove the cover. You can see the grid in the Petri dish. Grab the tweezers. Pick up the grid with the tweezers. Attach the tweezers to the plunger. Use the stylus to press the button that says, Start Procedure, on the Vitrobot screen once to raise the plunger. Now, pick up your pipette. Use the pipette to pick up your sample from the yellow. Open the side port on the right side of the Vitrobot. Use the pipette to touch the grid at the bottom of tweezers through the side port. Grab the workstation and put it on the workstation platform. Use the stylus to press Continue on the Vitrobot screen to start blotting. Press the button for the operation. Now we are going to transfer your grid to a grid box for storage. Carefully insert the grid into the blue grid box that's already... Okay, fill the temporary storage doer with liquid nitrogen to cool it down. Pick up the large grid box tweezers and put them in the temporary storage doer for cooldown. Now let's use the large liquid nitrogen storage doer on the floor to your right. Quickly transfer the plastic tube into the temporary storage doer. Pick up your grid box from the workstation using the large, cooled down tweezers, and quickly put it into the plastic tube that's in the... Put the plastic tube back into the large storage doer and recap it. Okay, put the workstation back into the hood. Remove and empty the humidifier. Invert and dump humidifier at least 3 times to clear reservoir. Place the humidifier upside down in a styrofoam container for storage. Now let's clean the lab. Tap the exit button the Vitrobot screen. Wait for the Vitrobot to shut down. The screen will go completely blank and black. Flip off the power switch on the back of the Vitrobot. Thank you for finishing the Vitrobot training. Keep practicing.